Playing on tunes to 8,000 school kids, cause half of them don't know what being Irish is. Singing it out, screaming it out, all this love and the glory coming out of my mouth. I'm doing 4 days of the truth this year, but I get a little pissed when I hear a little cheer. Don't need no coffee to be staying awake, cause I'm feeling pretty pumped when I'm standing on the stage singing Hallelujah, singing Beam Shame. 27 shifts is gonna drive me insane, but what's that phrase that all the guys use? You should all know we got nothing to lose, cause we're marching along and singing a true song. So loud, so don't get me wrong, we play Irish music and sing Irish songs, do Irish songs, sing, and some of us are learning words in the Irish language. It's all about you, but it's not. I had a lot to learn too. We learn all the songs and we do what we do. We hope it's hard work for the whole church crew. Doing the truth, yeah, the tour's a killer. All day like on fuck umbrella, but at the end of the day, we're not under famous. Before you know it, we'll be playing in Vegas. The schools love Ireland and everyone will dance into the music and I need the little skilly R&B like dumb. All the kids wanna learn the Irish drum. And they be struggling the first, but by the end of the verse, they've done that really well. It don't matter, cause it's fun anyway. Playing 6 shows in 1 long day. We're marching along and singing a true song. School's so loud, so don't get me wrong. We play Irish music and sing Irish songs. 2 Irish songs and the kids sing along. Cause it's better when there's interaction, good reaction. I'm going back it up. Get into the zone with a flag on my face. MC Finn in the place. Say we roll Finn and we play the tin whistle. We do the tune, that's why we do it. Let's try that again. We both call Finn and we play the tin whistle. We love the tune, that's why we do it. We get some with questions that have to be answered. All the instruments, the singers and even the dancers. They love Ireland, but they think you have to wear green all the time whenever you go. Say what? Schools love it when we're around. Yeah, we're marching along, we're singing a true song. School's so loud, so don't get me wrong. We play Irish music and sing Irish songs. 2 Irish songs and the kids sing along. Play Irish music, sing Irish songs. Do Irish songs, these guys have talent. 2 Irish music, sing Irish songs.